So in this video, I'm going to solve that is 10th standard science question paper 2022 April main examination question paper Karnataka board. So let us see the first, that is physics question paper. Um, Let us see the first question, that is multiple choice question. They ask the device that is used to produce electricity is calorimeter, electric generator, ammeter, um, electric motor. That is electric generator is the answer for question number 1. So next, moving on to our next question, that is question number 2. So we have to find the correct formula that shows the relationship between potential difference, electric current and resistance in an electric circuit is I is equal to R by V, I is equal to V by R, V is equal to I by R, or R is equal to V by I. So I think option D, R is equal to V by I, is the answer for question number 2. Next, moving on to our third question, that is question number 3. Here they ask, in Fleming's right hand rule, the middle finger indicates the direction of induced electric current, magnetic field, motion of the conductor, or mechanical force. So the answer is induced electric current. The next is question number 4. Here they are asked to get diminished and real image of an object from a convex lens. The object should be placed at a principal force F1 or between principal forces focus F1 and 2F1 and beyond 2F1 or between principal focus F1 and optical center O. So therefore the answer is it should be placed beyond 2F1. Next, the second way they asked is answer the following questions. The fifth question they asked is magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. Why? So at the point of intersection, the compass needle would point towards two directions, which is not possible. So therefore, the magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. So at the point of intersection, the compass needles, it will point at two directions. So it is not possible for compass to point at two direction at the magnetic field. So therefore it is not possible. Next is mention the SI unit of power of lens. So therefore the SI unit of power of lens is dioptre. Next is seventh question. Answer the following here. 2 marks question is draw the schematic diagram of an electric circuit comprising of electrical cell, electrical bulb, ammeter, and plug key. So it is a circuit. It's simple. It's a electrical circuit. So here it is electrical cell. Here plus or minus it is battery. Here it is key. Uh, and here it is bulb. And here current is passing. So ammeter is here. Ammeter. So it should be connected to each other. The electric bulb, ammeter, key, battery, and again electric bulb to the another end, and the direction how current is flowing from battery plus positive it flows, and it goes to bulb, then it goes to ammeter, then it goes to key and comes back to the negative. So like this direction should also be mentioned. They may cut marks if you not mention the direction sometimes. Next is the question 8 they have asked is an object that is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Or also we can say a concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. At what distance should the object from the lens should be placed so that it forms an image of at 10 centimeter from the length? They have asked. So the formula is 1 by v plus 1 by u, that is equal to 1 by f. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u, that is equal to 1 by minus 15 focal length centimeter. So concave it is, so 1 by v minus 15 minus 1 by minus 25. So 1 by v is equal to it should be made into 3. So 5 plus 3 it will become, so minus 5 plus 3 by 15 into 15 into 35. So 15 into 3 is 25 into 3, so therefore it will be 75, that is equal to minus 2 by 75. So v is equal to 75 by minus 2, that is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter is the answer. So therefore 37.5 centimeter or in front of the concave mirror. The screen should be placed at the distance of 37.5 centimeter or in front of the concave mirror. For second question, option B that they have given, or the question they have given. Further, the formula is I by V minus I by U is equal to 1 by F. 1 by U is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by F. So therefore it is equal to 1 by minus 10 is minus 1 by minus 15. So therefore 1 by U is equal to 3 and 2, it will become, if we cancel, so 1 by so that is minus 3 plus 2 by 30, that is equal to um, um, equal to minus 1 by 30. So therefore it is equal to u is equal to minus 30 centimeter is the answer for second question they are given here. Second question here, see, second question they are given, no, for that answer. Next question, so therefore the object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from the concave lens. So for half marks we will get for the formula, half marks for the solution means half of marks, and for answer half marks, so totally 2 marks you will get. Now 3 marks, if you see, which is the major component of biogas, write 4 characteristics of good source of energy. The first question they asked, so for that answer is methane, CH4 is the main major component of biogas. And the characteristics are of good sources of energy for biogas is which has has to a large amount of work per unit volume or mass. It must be easier accessible or available. The four major characteristics of good sources of energy, and must be easy to store and transport, and must be economical. So 4 points if you write, they asked 4 points, each point half marks and 1 marks for the major component of biogas. So total you will get total you will get 3 marks. 3 marks question it is. You should answer 3 question, right? Which element is used in making solar cell, and write any 4 advantages of solar cell. This is the second option question they are asked in this. So silicon is the major, it is used for making solar cell, and the 4 advantage of solar cell it is they have no moving part. There is no moving part, it needs only little maintenance, work quite satisfactorily without the use of any focusing device. It works easily. It can be set up in remote area where people cannot reach easily. At that place it can be placed. It can be set up in those areas too where laying of power transmission line is not possible, where power transmission or the wires for current cannot be placed. At that place also you can take. So 1 marks for silicon and half of marks for each point. So totally 2 marks plus 1, 3 marks is the you'll get. Next question number 10, here they have asked to draw the ray diagram to show the image formation by a convex lens when the object is kept at 2 fn of the lens. With the help of the ray diagram, also we have to mention the position and the nature of the image that is formed here. So F1, it is principal focus of the lens. So this is a diagram. Here A inverse, B inverse, M and N, it is the lens. So here lens, the light is coming from the object to the lens. It get diverged, A inverse. Here also it get diverged, it comes. So 2F1, here 2F2. So this is the diagram. The position of the image is at 2F2. At the 2F2, the position of the image is there. The image, it is real and it is inverted, right? So therefore it is the answer. And for drawing you will get two marks and half of marks for the position and figure. So totally one mark plus 2, 3 marks you will get. Next question number 11. What are the functions of an earth wire and it is necessary to connect the electrical appliance having a metallic body to each wire in domestic electrical circuit? Why? We have to explain also. This is the first question they have given in 11. Functions of earthwire, they have asked first question. So functions, it is, this is used as a safety measures for appliances that have metallic body in domestic circuit. So it is used as safety measures for the appliance so that you may not get current sometimes. Next is this provides a low resistance conducting path for the current. It provides a very less resistance for the current to pass, and any leakage of current in the appliance keep its potential to that of the earth, and the user may not get a serve electric shock. As I said, the user will not get serve electric shock if we keep it the if the apply current is wire is there, it is cut, and if we you will not get any shock if there is earthing is there. These are 3 points. And 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is the 3 points, 3 answers we have written. The first one is it is for the what is the function of earth. Second point is for the necessary to connect the electrical appliance having metallic body. Why? For the 2 points we are given. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So therefore 3 marks you will get. Next, second question, explain Faraday's experiment relatably to electromagnetic induction. And we have to mention the difference between the direct and alternate current also. So first, we have to take a coil of a copper wire having a large number of turns. Connect the ends of the coil to a galvanometer of marks will get. If you read this, and take a strong magnet and move its one pole into the coil. Then there is a deflection in the needle of the galvanometer. This indicates the presence of the current in the coil. Then likewise, when the magnet is withdraw back, then also the needle of the galvanometer deflect, and this indicates the presence of the electric current. So half of marks for each you will get. So therefore you will get 2 marks. Next difference, they are asking direct current and alternate current. Difference is direct current flows in one direction. Alternate current, it also flows in the reverses its direction also. So totally you will get 3 marks. Now next is 4 marks question. One question they have asked here, 4 marks question. First A question, both question they asked A and B. One question they asked is, what are the advantage of connecting electrical devices in parallel in an electrical circuit instead of connecting them in a series? Advantages we have to write for 4 marks. First let us see. Advantages of connecting electrical devices in parallel area. The parallel circuit divides current through the electrical gadgets. When one component fails, the current does not fail. If one component, if it fails, the current will pass from the other components also, as it is connected in parallel. If it is connected in series, if one component fails, then the whole current will be off. The total resistance in parallel circuit it decreases, and the electrical gadgets get current as per the resistance, how much resistance that gadgets require, they get the current. So 1 marks will get. So therefore 2 marks for A you will get. B they have asked is, how are ammeter and voltmeter connected in an electrical circuit and what are their functions, they have asked. In an electrical circuit, ammeter it is connected in series. In an electrical circuit of voltmeter it is connected in parallel. As ammeter it is the rate of electrical current in a circuit. Voltmeter measures the potential difference across the ends of the conductor. So if you write this, you will get half of marks. So totally you will get 2 marks. So totally you will get 4 marks here. So 4 marks you will get totally here for one question. Here only one question they are asked here. 12th question. Next 13th question, 5 marks it is. Here they are asked, hey, what is the refraction of light? We have to state two laws of refraction of light. B. What is the refractive index of light? The refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of the statement? We have to find what is the meaning of the statement that they have given. So two questions there. First question, we have to write this refraction. What is the refraction of light? And we have to state the laws of refraction of light. Refraction of light. Light traveling obliquely from one medium to another. The direction of propagation of light in the second medium changes. The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of the two transparent media at the point of incident all lie in the same plane. All incident, refracted ray, and normal to the interference, two transparent all lies in the same plane. And the ratio of size of angle of incident to the sine of angle of refraction is constant. It is constant. For the light of given color and for the pair of media, S sin I by sin R is equal to constant. So this is the answer for A question. You will get 3 marks. And B they have asked is what is refractive index of light, and the refractive index of diamond is 2.42. What is the meaning of this statement they have asked? So the ratio of speed of light in the air and the speed of light in the medium is the ratio is the refractive index of light. The ratio of speed of light in the air and the speed of light in the diamond is 2.42 is the ratio. So this is the questions solving. So 10th standard physics question paper, science physics question paper, English medium is solved. Karnataka board it is. So okay friends, I believe you understand how I solved. So if this video is helpful to you, please give a like. Please comment down which question paper video you need or which study material you need in the comment box, and also share my video link with your friends so that it will be helpful to your friends also. So okay friends, see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, and bye my dear friends.